Hi guys, it's Trisha, CEO of Girl Friday. Girl Friday is offering you an opportunity to take your business, your small business, from 0 to 6 figure like we have achieved at Girl Friday over 9 years of running our business. This is why we are offering you the best opportunities that you will ever get in the Cat Got the Cream online workshop for small business owner in the UK. You do not have to attend our workshop physically. You can attend it from the comfort of your home or your office if you are interested in increasing your income and talking to your right audience for your product and services. Why most small business remain small is because they carry on doing the same thing and expecting a different result. We were there at Girl Friday. We fall for the fallacy of small business startup. Like everybody who starts their own business, we thought that we had to give our money away before we could make it. So, year one, what did we do? We started our online website, girlfridays.com. Then we started offering discount. About 50% discount, 60% discount. Crazy woman I was. 50% discount, 60% discount. Of course, people come. They get technical services. Yeah, highly technical services for dirt cheap. So, of course, they would come. So, we plug along like this for 1 year. We were stupid fool, to be honest, and we needed to learn about what business entail and what we should do in business to attract our customer to our service, which are small business. We were never confused about who we are supporting. We are supporting startup with funding, with a purchasing power, and we are supporting existing small businesses who desire to grow with our one-stop shop, because now we are a one-stop shop, well established, with recurring profit for the past 6 years, because profit emerged in year 3 when I learned not to give my money away to people. In a Cat Got the Cream, we're going to teach you how to increase your income from 0 to 6 figure and making monthly at least at the minimum 7,000 if you're selling products. If you're selling services, depending on the price of the services, your monthly amount might be different, but you might be clocking, let's say, 5,000 in sale. I'll give you an example. We are marketer and website designer, so we are selling services to business owner. We not dirt cheap, no way, sir. I value my worth. Considering that I increased the marketing theory with 23 theory mainly about customer acquisition and retention. Don't expect to find something will cost you £2 in there. You won't find it. That would be stupid and devaluing me. I did this as startup. I gave my phone away. I fell for the fallacy of startup business. Discount upon discount. When I declare my income to the HMRC, doing my tax return, it was a massive loss. Over £6,000, 982 lost. How do you generate that kind of loss? It's because I realized, Patricia, you give in 60% discount. You don't even have no fucking money and you give the money away already to people. I soon catch up and learn. Year 2, we stop the discount whatsoever and charge our prices. They were not even that expensive. They were still low for the quality that we offer. But they were low prices. But we never been cost leadership. So they were low prices. And our customer increased. No more discount. But we started developing our payment facility for people. So our first payment facility was a payment facility over £200. So if your bill is over £200, you have the opportunity to pay the remainder after paying your 30% deposit for the service. You still have the possibility to pay in two the rest of the bill. This take off like crazy. And when I did my tax return in year 2, it was a lot better. That loss of 6,000 was something of the past. I wasn't in profit yet, by all means, but I half it. The loss was £3,524. I remember because it's me. So it was better. That spurred me to carry on. So year 3, what did you do? We increase our prices. We charge the true value of my words. Well, boom, people love it because my customer get excellent services. Very good reviews start to arrive. Next, people notice and boom, my blog started to be created. Quality blog post. Information for people. So much so that one of my customers told me after I designed this website that I give so much good content, informative content, that people wouldn't use me. I said, no, people will still use me because we are developing our hybrid business structure where we got a standalone part, which is our blog and our podcast, where the services are free. You just read, listen, and when you're ready, you use us. We have the part where we do the service for you. So the Cat Got the Cream online workshop teach you the business processes that you need in order to increase your income, because a business is mainly process driven. And when you change what you're doing, you see result. Profit came in our business in year 3. The profit was small. If you know what is profit, it is when your income exceeds your cost, what remains is profit. So our profit was so small, but I remember what it was. It was £416 profit. The loss gone. Our expenses were lower and our income was higher. Then the profit doubled in year. It didn't double, that's not true. 8 times more. Because Trisha, in terms of math, that was 2,982 profit in year 4. And it carry on. Now, I'm not going to tell you my profit because that was an amazing result. So what I applied to my business to keep on going higher, well, I'm going to teach you that in the Cat Got the Cream workshop, small business. For only £399.50 per month for 17 months. If we are in profit for the past 6 years, because we are 9 years in business, this can happen to you too. Because when you learn the right method, you're bound to prosper over time. Nothing is an instant fix. I'll give you a good example of a business in technology. Now it's AI everywhere. But if you know, they were trying to bring artificial intelligence for the past 20, 30 years. Yeah? And they finally succeed. So depending on what you want to achieve, it might take a long time. But if you follow, or very quickly, if you follow a set of strategies and tactics, practice, and method to do things, you're bound to succeed in your business easily. Any industry. There is no special growth for one industry or the other industry. It is any industry. So, register your interest today in the Cat Got the Cream online workshop. Once you register your interest, you need to put in a form your readiness score that you have took when you went on LinkedIn to take the readiness challenge, and jot down your score to fill our short application form, because that will help us to determine your suitability to the program. So if you're inclined that way and you want to learn how to take your business from 0 to 6 to 7 figure, and over time you might clock 1 million or 2, even 10 million if you carry on. Yeah? If you carry on applying the same tactic and strategies that we're going to teach you at the Cat Got the Cream, you will be a star among your crowd. Register an interest to the Cat Got the Cream today and grow your business tomorrow. Bye for now, Trisha.